Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. I greet the house, I greet everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to the place where you for the see this our ogboge video. My people, if you know see you never subscribe to this channel, please wait till they wait for subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and also on your notification bell in case whenever we make magala we post our video now we receive am for where una dey. So now know wetin we dey do for this channel. Now comment section we dey break comment come read out. We dey break comments. They go around social media. They go around comment section. Anyone when draw our attention, we go bring the comments, come read, my people. Today, my people, we dey Proud Mom Gist TV page. We dey her comment section, my wonderful people. Wetin dey shele, wetin dey happen? Kilo dey, wetin dey hot, wetin make everywhere dey shake. Today she come say she wan analyze umenwan video when umenwan say e no leak her kpekus. So then she say epa umenwan leak her kpekus. She talk many things for the video, my people. So we'll go through the comment section and more bring out as people take answer her. She even swear with her life. She swear with her children. I don't know. She swear with her life. Say if na lie, may umenwan bring juju paper come. Say she go if e no leak her kpekus. Anyway, my people. Their matter everywhere they hot. Relationship go wrong. They can't carry come out for social media. So my people, more go to their comment section. More see waiting our people drop as comments. For people when no fit come out do the live video, they will drop comments. So now make us get this commenters analyzer TV. We'll go comment section. More see waiting our people drop a comment. I trust our people now. They're not the for copy. I agree to now. Let's go to the comment section. The first comment when we get for here say, all men dey leak kpekus. Ask Abros if I lie. All these people that don't they we should go concern Abros for inside here. Say make they ask Abros if they lie. Wetin Obiebo come do? Wetin concern Obiebo? Anyway, men dey leak kpekus. Not be all men. Some men dey. If they say no, they can never do it. Not be all men. And not be bad things to leak kpekus. The reason why this person dropped this comment, the first comment when we take, now because she say, Proud Mom say, Baba wey dey smile leak her kpekus. If na lie, make they. My people, let's go to the next comment section. The next comment say on the same comment section, he say Frank, the most useless man on social media, describing women's private body. This one can reply the comment say favor usas. Sorry. Can reply the comment say social media gets one kind bad spirit. Frank love this woman and she love him too. Okay. If they love each other, they'll come they fool themselves for social media, my people. If they love each other, they go do this matter, this issue, they go settle one for inside house. Not be to come social media, come they fool themselves. This one not good now. This one be like a baby children, where children for they play. Adults, two adults. Now they do behave like this. Okay, if you say I no want again o, no need for us to come dey narrate as we take do, take enjoy for the few weeks or the few months when we take date. Wetin dat one come dey all about? Wetin dat one come mean? You come dey tell pipo as una take do, wetin e tell you when una dey bed when una dey bed, or when e come greet you, wetin e discuss with you, and the man now come dey talk as the woman kpekus be. Hey God, character dey dis life o my pipo. Mo go to the next comment, mo see wetin person talk. This one say all men dey lick kpekus, ask Abros if I lie. I fit read this comment. So this one come reply the comment say if he lick am na him wife he lick. Yes, even though he lick am, this one wanna say if na lie may he ask Abros. If Abros lick na him wife he lick, he no lick another person, he no go lick a girlfriend or one thing. So mo no dey comment section na we dey always dey cause wahala, na we make saga sef no dey finish comment section. So my people, let's go to the next comment. The next comment say, now I see why I introduced Benin girl to my brother, he refused to marry her. My sister or my brother, no be by Benin or no Benin, everybody get character, everybody get different character. Benin o, Yoruba, Igbo, Calabar, everybody get character, no be only Benin. Just that now Benin bring their own come social media, na make una know many things dey when dey happen for Igbo land wey una no know, and many dey when still dey happen for Yoruba, many dey when still dey happen for Calabar. So no be by Benin or no Benin. If your brother refuse to marry Benin girl, that means your brother no love the girl, na make am refuse. So let's go to the next comment. So this person say now I see why my brother refused to marry Benin girl. Now this one reply the comment say, which tribe is better in Nigeria? No tribe is better. You see wetin I first talk now before I see the reply when he reply the comment. No tribe better for Nigeria. All tribe na the same. So let's take the next comment, my people. This one come say good morning. He said morning saga sweet like early morning sex. Hey my people, our people commenters, I dey give una hand. If una me I no dey watch video, wetin I dey go for na comment section, because I dey love comment section. I dey love comment section well well, because na there you go dey hear the gbos. You go dey even see some wey dey fight themselves for matter wey no concern us. Let's take the next comment, my people. This one say you no see sleep now. Wetin make this one say she no see sleep now? She come dey describe baba wey dey smile, cucumber. He come say baba wey dey smile cucumber say e dey like this. So now this person come reply say you dey describe cucumber but you no see sleep because e no do again. So my people, we'll go to the next comment. He says some still get shame. He says some Benin still get shame. Yes, not be all Benin, everybody get character. Be Igbo, be Yoruba, be Calabar, everybody get character. No be by Benin or no Benin. So my people, more take the next comment. The next comment say 2022 na correct saga. Now this one come answer. I say you no lie, proud mom. Frank na okobo. You for no allow Frank in the first place. This one they tell us say now say you for not allow Frank into you, or for not allow Frank come your house, or if for not allow Frank to gwangwa you. You know say this life we know they know as human being until e set. I no know relationship that they enter relationship before. Why social media? I no know. Now make me fair dey ask them for my other channel whether na prank dey or not be prank, because I no know. Person relationship, I no want relationship again. Relationship never reach how many months. I no want to go now rest. And no be say una come out for social media come dey insult una sef. Anyway, na comment section here we dey. The next comment say, as Frank leave you so, na other men you dey go still meet, so all dis men go dey speak for your toto. Yes, because she carry herself come and say that dey my people, this matter e dey sweet me, but still get as e dey do me for body. I'm not too happy for the issue, because the issue get as e be. So my people, we no wan analyze that one. Let's take the next comment. This one say, this early morning God help your children. Yes, the reason why this person say this early morning, maybe she do this video early morning. Now make this person drop this comment, say this early morning God help your children. The next comment say, try to calm yourself down a little bit. Yeah, because her body just dey hot. May not dey follow Frank, as Frank take talk the issue, you wan still use am follow Frank like that, e no bam. The next one say, please stop all this challenge. At the end, na yourself you dey bring down. I swear, you know say you be woman. Frank na man o. Even if you talk heaven and earth and about Frank, e go still see woman marry. Yes, even though you talk heaven and earth about Frank, una no vex, na my baby dey make noise. Even though you talk heaven and earth about Frank go still see woman marry. Women no go reject am. You go still see woman, just they go tell her say that character they no want. More really talk am, no be you be the first girl when Frank dey date. Frank don dey date many girls. Issue like this never rise. Na so I no know why this una all come end for social media. So my people, let's take the next comment. The next comment say, I no believe say Atiti Duduvaga Iyore. Na still Atiti like that time say e date Lovett. Wetin make this person drop this comment? Because she say Frank tell her say they say Atiti don Duduvaga Iyore. This issue, make una no bring Iyore name come out for this una dirty issue. Make una use am rub una self alone. Make una no use am rub Iyore. Proud mom, this thing wey you dey do, I no like am. No use am rub Iyore, use am rub you and Frank. Na two of una know how una take meet una self. Na two of una know as una take talk to una self, say I love you, I love me. So why una come dey use am rub others? Dey rub Atiti, dey rub Mummy Iyore. Make una no use am rub her at all. Make una use am rub una self. The next comment say, e say this matter shock me o. Wetin make the person say the matter shock am? Because e react to the comment when say, I no believe say Atiti Duduvaga Iyore. Na so Atiti like that time say e first date Lovett. Na make this person say the matter is shock am. Let's go to our next comment. The next comment say, I understand your pain, but to bring it to social media is bad. That's why I am against you. It make you look somehow. Yes, it make you look irresponsible. You are a mother. As a mother, una do Duduvaga. The guy say you no want again, or you say you no want again, una will take am out of social media. Not be to bring am come social media. This matter, this issue, it make you look irresponsible, my beautiful sister. You are a beautiful woman. If you no want, let her go. I know say they very painful. My people, now my baby they disturb me. Una no vex. So as a mother, una know na. Na small boy, I know if you go lock am for inside room, need to dey with me for here. So my people, let's go to the next comment. Yeah, like wetin I dey talk now, na say yes, e make her look irresponsible for a woman. Say after we date, maybe the guy no want again or I no want again, we come carry am come social media. If we say more really reason this matter, you say e can't work for you. After e work for you, e lick your kpekus, you enjoy am, he enjoy am. Now take this issue out of social media, because this thing look like baby where baby for dey pray, dey play. And so e just be. I greet una my wonderful people. Let's take the next comment. The next comment, this one don lie o. People dey lie well. I don't know, I never hear where Mommy Yore for talk and say he with Atiti don fair date before. I never hear am. As I dey follow her reach, I never hear where she for talk that was say he with Atiti don date. This one say my sister Yore don fair talk and say she with Atiti don fair date. This one come say really? Hey. The next comment say I feel Duduvaga girl, but I no feel Laluhe. I no feel lick her kpekus. This one say really again? This one come talk. Say the next comment say I think say you and Frank are best friends. Now wetin I think before. Me no say that they date, but don't be this kind. We dey date. Relationship don't finish. Many people when they be presenter, they date each other. If relationship finish, una go enter house. Not be say we'll carry on social media. Mo take the next comment, my people. This one say hook up callers. Now hook up callers, so not be so ma. Yeah. Child testimony. If my woman dey, now wetin dem dey do together, make una try upgrade una mentality. No comment o. This one say men when they lick kpekus, I dey look them like zombie. My sister, you feel not like am. People dey when like am. You fit be man when drop this comment. You fit be woman. If you not like am, people dey when like am. So my people, let's take the next comment. This one say why do you always insult your commenters? Now we cause the one when you dey. People funny sha. Now no say she dey very nervous now, so when I leave the poor woman alone. This one say Frank also dey depressed. Really? This one say okay, before Frank, he say Saga no be your mate o. See as you can't be there. She dey depressed. She not depressed, so she not depressed. Now just anger, my people, not be depression. Say Frank also dey depressed, because they say my mom never thought she dey depressed. Now make this one now they ask whether Frank also dey depressed. My people, will end this video from here. Before we end the video, let's take the last comment on this video. He say abeg, both of una no get shape, na dog lick una eyes. Wetin make this one talk am? Say na dog lick their eyes, na make two of them no get shape. My wonderful people, God bless una for una support, for una love, for una amazing support. Please mona try more as una come watch the video. If una like wetin we dey do, please subscribe. Mona take support my channel. God bless you all. I really appreciate all of una. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up, like the video, share my video out, share to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, share to anywhere. God bless you for sharing. God bless you for subscribing, and God bless you for the like. Thank you for from Commenters Analyzer TV.